Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all we have to find this security app, let's tap on it. Of course, give all the permissions, agree to everything, and all you have to do right now in order to check if there is any malware on your device is to simply tap on security scan. Of course, agree again, and wait a second. As you can see, this device, it was quite fast, but this device was scanning itself in order to check if there is any malware or viruses which are on this device. And as you can see, in my case, everything looks good, but if it will find any problems, any malware, then it will notify you. You will be able to check it here. It will list all of the problems and you will be able to remove them, to simply fix the problems which your device scanned. So actually this is it. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.